Hello students, you must have seen the paper pattern sent to you for each subject. Yes, it contains MCQs and subjective questions. Students, when you are answering the multiple choice questions, the answer can be selected from the options shown on the screen. No need to upload anything. Let us see how we can answer or attempt the online assessment from a mobile app. After opening your Asia app, when you click on the quiz section, you will get the quiz meant for that day. Click on the start button. As soon as you click on the start button, you will see instructions. You can see the first line, the time duration given for that particular test. Here it's 30 minutes, but for you, the time duration mentioned will be the time that is allotted for that test. You can see the second line mentions the total number of questions and the total marks for the test. You have to click on the I agree with all terms and conditions and click on the start button. As soon as you start the quiz, you can see the time shown above. That would be the total time allotted for you to answer the question, to attempt the quiz and upload the answers also. Please note that the time that is shown there will be inclusive of the uploading time also. When you start the quiz, for the MCQs, as we discussed, you simply have to click on the correct option. After clicking the correct option, you can click on the Save and Next button shown at the end, and you can go for the next question. Here you can see this question is a subjective question. You can see that there is a space provided to type the answer. But students, don't type the answers. Typed answers are invalid for the test. You can only upload your answers. For that, you have to write your answers in the notebook or in a full sheet. And when you complete writing the answer, you can click a photo and attach the photo there itself. Yes, when you click on the click a photo, you can take the photo, you can crop it as you want, and you can attach this photo of that specific answer to that question. Remember, when you take photos, it should be clear enough. And when you crop the photos, you should crop it properly and upload it properly. Next, you can save on the Save and Next button, and you can move forward to the next question. Children, in case of lengthy answers where you feel the answer cannot be accommodated in one single picture, you can take the pictures and you can convert them into PDF and keep it ready. Then, when you want to attach the file, you can use this method. Yes, students. In case of MCQs, you may see that some of the options you are not able to read completely. In that case, you can click on the three dots provided in front of it. As you click, you can see the whole option can be seen, or the option can be seen completely. You can read it completely. After reading it, you can choose the correct answer. When you come to the end of the quiz, when you come to the last question, you can see the save and finish button at the end. Click on the save and finish button and you will be able to see the number of questions, the number of unattempted questions and the number of questions that you have attempted. From this you can understand that what all questions you have left. You can click on the unattempted question and come back to your question where you have to upload or choose the correct answer. After you complete attempting all the questions, you can click on the finish quiz button and you can submit your quiz.